Hi, welcome to Stories with ASL. My name is Maxine. I work for the Cobb County Public Library and I am learning ASL, American Sign Language. Today I'm learning about farm animals and then reading the book Day on the Farm with Very Hungry Caterpillar from the world of Eric Carle. So, would you like to learn some of these farm animals with me? Okay, let's get started. The first one, well, let's start with farm, okay? Farm is your fingers up and your thumb across your palm and goes under your chin. Farm, farm, okay? The next one we'll do is farmer. We're going to combine the signs for farm and person and make farmer. So farm, person, farmer. Okay? Farmer. This is horse. Horse is first two fingers of your hand, your thumb, place it up against your forehead and tilt your fingers forward. Horse. Horse. Okay, you think about the ear of a horse. Tilt forward. Horse. Okay? The next one we're going to do is rooster. Rooster also uses the same fingers, the first two fingers in your thumb, except you're going to put it in the middle of your forehead and tilt forward. Rooster. Rooster. Think about the crown of the head of a rooster. That's what we're going for there. Rooster. Okay? Rooster. Now let's do duck. Duck is your two fingers put together with your thumb at your mouth and you tap twice. Duck. Duck. And then you think about one way to remember that is the bill of a duck at your mouth. Duck. Quack. Duck. Very good. It's similar to the ASL sign for bird, which is one finger at your mouth. Bird. So, bird, duck, and then chicken is the bird sign, and then you tap your palm of your other hand. So you think about a chicken pecking on the ground. Chicken. Chicken. Okay? Next we'll do cow. And cow also, the sign for cow is your pinky up, your thumb up, other fingers down, and then placed at the side of your head, tilted forward. Also related to, a way to remember it is a cow's ears. Cow. Pinky up, thumb at your forehead. Cow. Okay? Cow. This is a pig. And a pig is your fingers up, thumb across your palm, put it under your chin, and then tap your fingers down twice. Pig. Pig. Okay? Here's a pig. Next animal is sheep. And Baba sheep. So we're going to make, hold one arm out like this, and with your other arm, hand, you're going to take your two fingers and make a scissor motion going up your arm. You think about how we trim the wool off of a sheep and use it to make clothing. So if you picture trimming the sheep, so making a cutting motion. Sheep. Now to make a baby sheep or a lamb, the ASL sign is baby sheep. That's the sign for lamb. Baby sheep. Lamb. Okay? Very good. Now the sign for tractor is your two hands made into a fist. You put them in front of your chest, and then you make a turning motion as if you were turning the wheel of a tractor. So, tractor, tractor. Very good. All right. And then the last that I was going to make is that of the barn. A barn is combining the ASL signs for farm and house. So, barn. Yeah? This makes sense? What color is the barn? Do you remember the sign for red? Red. So, red, barn. Yeah? Okay. All right. So, we're going to read our book, and move this over just a little bit so we can get our signs here so you can see the book. Okay? And here's our very hungry, whoops, turn around, very hungry caterpillar. Put him front and center. Very hungry caterpillar. Caterpillar is your index finger crawling up your other arms. Picture a caterpillar crawling. Okay? Very hungry caterpillar. Okay, so here's our book. Day on the farm with very hungry caterpillar. All right. Let's see the picture. It's a sunny day on the farm with a very hungry caterpillar. Who will he meet? Who will he meet? A friendly farmer. Friendly farmer. Who else? Smart pig. Smart pig. Curious cow. Curious cow. Good. Do you see the butterflies? We didn't do the sign for butterflies, but it is your hands are like this and you flap your wings. Yep. Flap your fingers as if it's wings. Can you see the butterflies? Very nice. Okay. A playful lamb. Playful lamb. Okay. See the caterpillar? A chatty rooster. Chatty rooster. And a happy horse. Happy horse. Okay. Do you see his friend there on the water? The duck? Do you remember duck? The very hungry caterpillar has made many new friends. Very hungry caterpillar many new friends. All right, thank you for joining me today and learning the ASL signs for farm animals. I'm so glad you joined us, and come back again next time and we will learn some more ASL signs together. Thank you.